Life is lifer. Love your enemy. Probably the hardest sentence ever written. You can forgive from a distance. Loving them is not equal to letting them hurt you again. Love isn't always close. You don't have to invite them to your birthday. It did. Acknowledging the wound is part of healing. Refuse to become them. Wish them well from far away. Pray for them or just stop cursing them. Don't let them live rent free in your head. Not because they deserve it, but because you deserve peace. The kind that protects your peace. Simple, mahirap, totoo.